In this video, we'll make quick work of tagging our doors and windows by using the Tag All Not Tagged function. So far in this model, we've added dimensions, room tags, and multi-category tags. Another thing that's important to call out on your floor plans are the specific door and window sizes. We'll create a schedule for those. Right now, let's tag them. To do that, we can make quick work by going to the Annotate tab and finding the Tag All Not Tagged function. From here, a dialog box will appear, and I'll choose the categories that I'd like to tag. In this case, it'll be doors and windows. I'll apply. Notice in my floor plan, a variety of tags have showed up. Ovals for doors and diamonds for windows. I'll hit OK. If I zoom in here, you'll see our center lines are going right through our tags. Sometimes this is okay, but to get those tags away from the center lines, you can make quick work of that also by doing them all in one go. For the tags on the east and west side, I'll select them all and hit the down arrow until they're just slightly away from the dimension strings. Because I moved them as a group, they'll be uniformly moved. I'll do the same for my north and south. I'll go to the second floor and use that function again. From Annotate, Tag All Not Tagged, choose Doors and Windows, and hit Apply. I'll then go and make any adjustments I need to avoid overlapping graphics. In this video, we made quick work of tagging all the doors and windows using the Tag All Not Tagged function. We also went through and made sure that the tags that were automatically generated looked nice with our floor plan graphics. I hope this helps.